Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Julie from Artfully You, and tonight we're going to be doing a Aurora Borealis night scene. The colours I'm using for this painting are Ultramarine Blue, turquoise, white and black, so very limited palette. I'm also adding in a little bit of purple as I go as well. It's kind of an indigo purple. So I'm just adding a tiny bit of red into my ultramarine blue. So if you imagine that your canvas is divided horizontally into three, the center third, I'm doing some vertical lines starting about a quarter of the way up from the canvas, and then I'm fanning out either side. So I'm doing these vertical lines with my ultramarine blue, and then I'm adding a little bit of white, then I'm using my indigo and then turquoise. So just layering lots of subtle colours, and I'm actually using a damp paintbrush to blend all of those together. Once I have the general feel for the direction of those brush strokes, I'm going to add in a little bit of white into my turquoise, and I'm just adding a few highlighted strokes. Quick blast of the canvas with my hairdryer, and I'm ready to start adding my focal points. So here you can see I'm using turquoise straight from the tube, and I'm just adding a kind of snake-like curved line. Then I'm pulling purely vertically the paint up about an inch. So I'm just making sure that all of my brush strokes for the kind of blending of the Aurora Borealis lines are just going straight vertical. I'm going to do about 5 lines in total, so 3 coming from the bottom and then 2 from the top, and still continuing having the main emphasis on the line and then pulling the paint up about an inch higher. What I will do is, once I've established where I want my lines to go, I will then add some of those background colours into those vertical lines of those stripes. I'm just doing a quick lesson on how I make kind of very simple stylized trees. I just draw a line, a couple of dots, and then kind of a zigzag line coming down for my trees. Make sure your trees are different heights and different widths apart to give them a bit of a natural feel, and then I'm going to paint those along that kind of a horizon line where I have all of my Aurora Borealis lines coming out, just to hide where the brush strokes start. I felt like it needed something at the bottom, so I've decided to make the bottom sort of some water, a lake, and just putting a few highlights in the lake reflecting what's happening in the sky. I'm so proud and impressed with the creations from my painters tonight. Thank you, gang, for joining me on my Zoom class. If you want to join any of my Zoom classes, it's Wednesday night, Toronto time, 8 p.m. Zoom password will be in the link, and I look forward to seeing you one of our Wednesdays. Take care. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe to my other videos.